कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में इतना सा फर्क है, एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है, वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और 7वें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
A very good afternoon to all the dear friends. We, the entire team of Franchise India, welcome all of you to our Business Opportunity with Chai webinar series. This is a digital representation of the big business opportunity we have got for you. This is a 45-minute session. First, we'll try to give you the correct and the complete understanding about the business opportunity with the help of the PPT. Then we'll move towards a panel discussion. During our panel discussion, we would love to get all your queries. We have created a question and answer box, so we request each one of you to share your feedback, suggestion, and queries in the same. We welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am. The particular webinar is hosted by both of them. It is our everyday aim that we provide maximum business solutions to all the investors through our physical and digital events. And the business opportunity we are delighted to present today on this platform is Zobox. Zobox is India's first renewed mobile phone and IT product retail chain. They are creating a revolution in highly unorganized second-hand smartphone, laptops, and tablet vertical. They have a wide range of products in their stores. They are currently present in 10, they have a current presence of 10 plus outlet in Pan India. And today we have invited the team to talk about this particular opportunity with each one of you. It is our privilege to invite and welcome Mr. Neeraj Chopra, who is a founder and CEO, Mr. Mukesh Jain, who is the Chief Operating Officer at Zobox. They are joined by their colleagues Ashish Sharma, Dharmesh Bhaji, and Kritika Sharma. Thank you so much, the team of Zobox, joining in today to talk about this great retail opportunity which you have got for our investors. So, Namaskar, Neeraj ji, आपका स्वागत है. We welcome all of you to this particular webinar.
Yeah, hi, good afternoon, everybody. Hope everybody is doing good. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir. We can continue. You can share your screen.
Sure. So, hi, on behalf of Zobox, I would like to welcome all of you to the webinar we are hosting today for exploring the opportunities about the market, about the opportunities, about the scenarios of the market, where Zobox fits in for the industry. So I would like to welcome all of us, including me, including Franchise India team, my team, and I can see Sonia. Hi, good afternoon, Sonia ji. I can see Gaurav ji. Hi, good afternoon. So let's begin. Before we begin, I would like to share some feedbacks about the evolution of our brand Zobox. So Zobox was technically evolved in the last lockdown when we saw people struggling with inventories, people struggling with services, people struggling with money, people struggling with efficiencies. So we came into an idea of doing some great things for people where people can, buy affordable luxury. They can buy products from us. They can buy used product, which were not available at time of lockdown. So beginning from the lockdown, we evolved, we started, we did a lot of brainstorming, and then we formed a company called Zobox Retails Private Limited in December 2020. Since then, we have started it and we've been evolving, and we've got great support from our investors. We currently are sitting at 10 plus outlets within no span of time, and that's like, we believe people are loving our project, people loving the products, people loving Zobox. And I proudly say that people who connected with us, who franchised with us, are really making good money from it. The investment part is not much. The support to the franchise is awesome from our team. I proudly announce that again. And this is how it is. So before we begin anything, I would like to thank again all of us to be the part of my team. And I would like to again start the presentation if you feel. Hajna, should I start the
Yes, sir, we can
presentation?
start. Thanks for addressing our investors. We
Sure.
can start with the presentation, sir.
Sure,
Thank
sure.
you so much.
Yeah, welcome to Zobox. Zobox means invest in future. So the review of the Zobox is revolutionizing the highly unorganized used refurbished smartphones and IT sector and turning it into an organized, renewed market through its offering. So we started in 2020. The company has
Neeraj, I'll
Sorry?
just bother you here. Can we just go for full screen? Can I help you with the PPT?
Is it not the full screen?
It's not the full screen. We are still at the slide number 1.
So is that okay now?
No. Should I help you with the
Yeah,
presentation?
Sure.
Sure. Over to you, sir.
Not yet started. Okay, yeah. So Zobox overview. Zobox is revolutionizing the highly unorganized used and refurbished smartphone and IT sector and turning it into a organized retail chains offering through its stores. Founded in 2020 in Delhi, we have successfully already launched 10 plus stores, and we are into Rajasthan and Gujarat. And we have a huge target of having 1,000 stores in upcoming 5 years. So coming down to the vision, we aim to organize renewed sector market, offering again lowest prices product at affordable luxury. Mission. Zobox wishes to bring smiles to everyone by fulfilling dreams of millions through its highly quality affordable products without paying upfront payment. So we have EMI options as well. Yes, please. Can you move to the next slide, please? Can you move to the next slide, please?
I'm at slide number 3. Are you able to see it?
No, it's not moving. Okay, so who we are, what Zobox is. Zobox is revolutionizing the highly unorganized, refurbished smartphone and IT sector and turning it into organized renewed sector, as I said earlier. Why Zobox? You know, apart from falling gaps in the renewed mobile phones and accessories industry, we have expanded our wings into the IT works and smart gadgets, and we need to give the service support and warranty of its products to our all clients. The commitment we make to the people. So we as Zobox expertise in smooth supply chain and its product within India, and door-to-door pickup for after sales by providing lowest possible prices to its consumers. So my core team, Mr. Mukesh Chan, Mr. Dhamesh, Mr. Ashish, and Kartika. This is the core team we started, are the founding members of Zobox. So let's discuss some market overview and challenges with the opportunities of the industry. So smartphone and internet user growth. In tier 2, 3, 4 cities, looking for affordable devices than urban market. More than 70% population still prefer to shop from the physical stores for its devices. This is where Zobox gets the advantage. So let us discuss some mobile users increasing data, which was shared by Google. Some urban and rural internet users, which was again shared by Google. So this, Archana, the slide is not visible at all now. The shopper, again gone. Can you refresh it, please? Yeah,
Can
okay.
you see it now, sir?
Yeah. So shoppers' buying preference is also been increasing day on day. Since there is, after the lockdown, online market have emerged 14% growth and offline market have emerged, it has been decreased by 14%. So we are also coming up with e-commerce portal. The average prices of smartphone have also gone up from 11,350, which was in 2018, and now is 12,135 in 2020. So the buying capacity is also going up. Can you move to the next screen? So the market overview and challenges. Huge market size. Demand from across countries, specifically from tier 2, 3, and 4 cities. So 70,000 crore domestic market cap with 9% CAGR growth annually. Highly disorganized market. The major market operates through gray terms. The market sold mobiles without bills, without EMIs, no warranty options. We see unhappy customers buying refurbished phones. Used mobile offer in market have no quality assurance, and multiple price points give different prices to confuse the customer. So benefits of buying a renewed phone. Renewed phones are different from pre-owned or bulk phones bought from the market. So the general public opinion is they feel the renewed phones are discarded devices and they have major issues, defects in the market, and they don't have a life cycle. It's a smaller life cycle. Whereas renewed phones are, again gone. Can you refresh? Yep. So renewed phones are minor defected. They are not fixed by the manufacturers, the people who don't want to buy it. Again gone. Yep, okay. So minor defects that are not fixed by the manufacturer and consumer changes, phones without warranty, time and due to changes the taste of preference. The low priced, and then the benefit is ecological choice. The benefit of refurbished phone is warranty and sales, and they of course have a long life cycle. The renewed smartphones generally comes up with 20 to 50% discount over new phones bought from the brand stores. And if all the mobiles end up being recycled, it would save energy for a $250,000 for home annually. Please refresh. Yeah, okay. Okay. So how unique Zobox is? We as Zobox have renewed smartphones and IT products, which brings to the consumers at very affordable price, breaks away the traditional refurbished mobile phone market by selling the products through brick and mortar stores. So we have stores where Zobox stores are going to be open the cities near you. And we will be soon launching, as I said earlier, the e-commerce portals. How are we unique? So we have high quality box products like new phones, as good as new fuel, and which are cheaper 35 to 50% than the new phones. We have GST bills provided as well. How awesome is Zobox? So Zobox gives easy EMI options with 0 down payments. Zobox product comes with 6 months warranty and 7 days of free. Yep. So looking at the brand proposition in the market. So what we can see is the Apple, Samsung, OnePlus, Oppo, Xiaomi, Vivo dominating into the new phone segments. And then we have Cashify, HXCard, and Zobox leading up gradually to the industry leaders. So what is the advantage we get? So we have top quality renewed products with standards around new affordable premium brands, highly adaptable format, which can set up in tier 2, 3 cities with growing and evolving markets for sure. In-house, and we have in-house workshop to control the quality and maintenance. Store interiors is of course done by Zobox, which includes air conditioner, LED TVs, entire interiors, assets, LED TV, desktop, CCTV, camera, laser TV, and scanners. End-to-end interiors and to make it operational. This is the advantage of Zobox gives to its franchises. Next screen, please. So how sustainable is Zobox? So we are available with a large inventory of IT products range, which is available and it is very suitable for an electronic store format. We are affordable. Why? Because we are competitive. Other than new products, we are 35 to 50% cheaper. And we, of course, are very competitive with another market people. How accessible we are. So creating retail presence close to consumer in each feasible neighborhood. This is the target of Zobox sustainability. How acceptable we would be. The format designed to ensure consumer and its consumer convenience and assurance for the quality. So product showcase, mobile phones and desktop computers are renewed renewed products from Zobox, whereas Zobox has branded products, brand new products, lightning cables, USB chargers, earphones, neckband, power banks, earbuds, Android smart TV, mobile phones, feature phones. So where Zobox is present? Zobox is currently now doing in 2 states, that is Gujarat and Rajasthan. So in Gujarat, we have 2 stores in Nadiad, Pansura 1 store, Savarkundla 1 store, Padra 1 store, Ankleshwar 1 store, Barodara 1 store, and Ahmedabad 1 store. And then Rajasthan comes down to Savai Madhopur with 1 store, Jaipur 1 store, and Sikar 1 store. This is where Zobox present currently in. So this is a beautiful picture of a Zobox look and feel. Zobox is equal to open happiness. Zobox brings an ocean of opportunities to its channel partners. Let's own a Zobox showroom and earn up to 2000% annually. Sales and supply flow of Zobox. Zobox does it through franchisee channels, and then they sell it through stores to customers. Zobox does it from franchisee and they sell to DSA, and then DSA gets the stock through its franchisee store, and for the first time billing is 200,000, that is 2 lakh rupees. Franchisee will assign DSA and upload information in Zobox portal and get ERP code allocated to its own store. The investment comes down, the franchisee does 15 lakh rupees investment worth, and 11 lakh rupees inventory is working capital, and 4 lakh rupees is franchisee fee with store setup cost. Zobox will replenish all inventories sold within 7 days of request of franchisee up to investment, and investment options are also available. Franchisee to sell Zobox product at the price set by company and will get margin on the sales. All GST billing to the customer to be handled by Zobox, and franchisee gets the margin on the sale. So the electrical appliances are provided at the store. To operate the store, it is a split AC, a desktop computer, laser printer and scanner, the ceiling, LED TV for promotions, and CCTV cameras for security. So civil work which is done by Zobox will be the complete end-to-end electrical work, end-to-end flooring work, end-to-end ceiling work, and end-to-end paint work. So this is the furniture look and feel. So accessory displays, laptop and computer display, and mobile phone display. So ideal partner profile to partner with Zobox is stable operational capabilities required for sustainable stores in operations. So what required is strategic, operational, marketing, and financials. So when I say strategic, that is supply chain inventory planning point, and it is managed by Zobox. Operations, store operations, client interaction will be the key role for franchise. This is where franchise had to look into. Marketing, location has to be very captive or highly footfall with having 10 to 15 stores nearby. Financials, so mid investment model that is not too much high with decent ROI on realistic projections. So franchise option details. So total investment is 15 lakh rupees, where 11 lakh rupees is as deposit against inventory, which is his working capital, and 4 lakh rupees is capital for the stores, and that contract comes with minimum of 24 months lock-in period. Franchisees to provide around 215 square feet area, and 3.5 lakh rupees is again going to be the fit out costs, which will be borne by franchisee. The rest will be taken care by Zobox, and 50,000 rupees is the franchisee fee. So what franchisee gets? So we as Zobox ensure smooth operations of stores and focus on sales. Oh, can you please refresh? Cannot see. Yeah, it's okay. Option to sell directly to customer or register DSA. This is the advantage which he gets, and which will be logged on to Zobox portal, and Zobox sells to them. Commission on Zobox sales to register DSA will be 3%. Margin on retail sale to the customer, the mobile phones will be 10%. Mobile accessory is going to be 15%. Consumer electronics, that is TV, that is going to be 9%, and all other IT products including laptop and desktop, will be 9%. Customers, any customer, retail customer, bulk customer, will be directly billed by Zobox, so the franchisee has no hassle of registering its own GST number. Zobox to provide online platforms software by managing inventory. So we have a strong ERP built in to help the franchisee. Franchisee to be provided with adequate assortment of products on consignment, which is security paid by him already. So 11 lakh investment is equal to 11 lakh worth products. This is his working capital, and he will get the same worth stock in his store. Quality of products and maintenance ensured through in-house workshop. Regular marketing and promotion activities. So when I say regular marketing activities, this is to enhance its sales. And we have incentive in form of additional margin that is up to 2% to boost franchisee confidence. So what are the benefits of opening a store, a physical store in the market? Let's understand customers' buying preferences and advantages to the brand. So people who visit the store are more likely to buy a product when they see it physically. Consumer who goes to the store and picks up an item, it is likely to be store buys excess stuff too. Physical store can reduce the cost of returns. Seeing is believing. Highly quality, one-on-one consumer satisfaction to increase the sales. You can use stores as product of supply chain, like we said, DSA support. You get free market researches on your customers' preferences and habits. So what customer demands, we will have to give it to him. So key support to the franchisee by Zobox. So we have EMI option plans for last consumers. We have ERP to track its sales, commissions, inventory, end-to-end dashboard is provided. We give them marketing support through social media to generate its leads. We give newspaper ads to generate its sales, and we have best commission and margin offered in the industry. Operational support is given by Zobox to its franchisee, monthly disbursement of 20,000 rupees to run its expenses to its OPEX. Entire store interior setup and branding is done by Zobox. We have a professional team of engineers to technically support them. Zobox gives 3 months minimum sales guarantee for first 3 months to its franchisee to settle down its store. And the best is in-house maintenance. The TRC, technical repairing and quality control team, is in-house. So for a single unit franchisee, Zobox franchisee with the shop, and the franchisee gets margin on the sale, and the billing is done through Zobox, and the GST bills include directly to the distributor by Zobox. So the franchisee have no hassle of registering into GST. The calculations of commission is done on the sales, and DSA to be allocated by territory for sales, and Zobox will provide the platform to and multiple billing. And there are prices very suitable for DSAs for wholesale. So Zobox is into 4-4 model, franchisee owned, franchisee operated model, and its franchisee format. So the most likely cities would be tier 2, 3, 4 cities, which are near to the central market, central area of the city, and have about 10 to 15 stores with a good footfall nearby. So model is going to be compact brick and mortar store. Area is very suitable, 200 to 250 square feet. And location, as I earlier said, is high footfall area, reasonable operation cost, and products variety available on display. The variety, the display, the SKUs are going to be too many. We have comprehensive product mixes to boost the sale. Affordable prices by Zobox. So parameters and FOFO. So brand guidelines are mandatory. Ownership is going to be of franchisee. Investment have to be done by franchisee. Revenue goes to franchisee. The store operated by is again by franchisee. Expenses borne by again is from franchisee. But what against sales he gets? Franchisee gets his margin on its sale that can come from DSA, retail, and e-commerce channel. And what company gets is franchisee fee and sales revenue. So Zobox is to handle the GST bills for its customer and its DSAs. Zobox procures product inventory management, supply chain, which will be end-to-end supplied to the franchisee. Franchisee just have to operate the store and sell products, and he can earn money. So ROI calculations. So we have done a five-year channel here. What I can see is for you is revenue. It is, I think, okay. So 12%, 10% mobile accessories, 8% and 5%. So revenue generated through channels will be, all the channels will be 1 crore 58 lakh 5800 and 58,800. This is for the year one. So 1.6 crore approximately. So where the sales would come from through retail, online and DSA channels. So we expect he will make in the first year is 71.5 lakh rupees for retail, and online he will make will be around 14.5 lakh rupees, and through DSA sales it is going to be around 72.5 lakh rupees. So total comes down to 1.6 crore in year one. Gradually growing 10 to 12%, it is going to be 1.8 crores. Year 3 it is going to be 1.95 crores. Year 4 will be 2.1 crore, and year 5 will be around 2.3 crores. So the gross margin, as we earlier said, some percentage are going to be around 10 lakh rupees for the year one, 11 lakh rupees for year 2, 12 lakh rupees for year 3, around 13 lakh rupees for year 4, and 14 lakh rupees for year 5. So OPEX, which franchisee will have in year 1. So he can lose in inventory aging around 2,900 rupees. Employee cost, which will be given by franchisee, is 2,40,000. Marketing budget, we assume he will spend around 80,000 rupees. Rent annually, he will spend around 1.8 lakh rupees. Electricity is around 60,000 rupees. Some other communication cost is going to be 12,000 rupees, and some other miscellaneous expenses can be around 50,000 rupees. So total of OPEX for year 1 is going to be 6.2 lakh rupees. So here we come down to the EBITDA. He will have monthly expense about 340,800. And then as I earlier stated, reimbursement from Zobox is going to be 20,000 rupees monthly, that is 240,000 rupees annually. So total net return he will make in year 1 is going to be 5.8 lakh rupees in year 1. Gradually year 2 is going to be 6.5, year 3 is going to be 7.1, and year 4 is going to be 7.6, and year 5 is going to be 8 lakh rupees annually. So investment comes down, as he's going to invest 4 lakh rupees into the Zobox venture. ROI percentage which he will get is 145% in year 1. Year 2 is going to be 163%. Year 4 and year 5 is going to be 203%. So it is about 200% growth annually. So cumulative come down to, in 5 years span time, it is going to be 900% approximately. And this 4 lakh rupees is majorly assumed to be paid back to the franchisee in around 8 to 9 months. So extended support to the channel partner. So we, as we stated earlier, we have monthly salaries, 20,000 rupees a month, personal ad support, newspaper, radio banners, all the promotional activities, product promotion, time to time, the prices goes down when there is some festival coming up. So we have franchisee scheme for his extra earning for, like we stated, 2%, consumer schemes for end consumer, and incentive sales up to 2% on the sales. Yeah, this is all. Thank you, guys.
Thank you so much, Neeraj ji. This was very well explained. And friends, I will also request all of you, whatever questions you have. So we'll have the next 10 to 15 minutes odd that we have kept for Q&A round. Any questions that you have on the business model, please feel free to put that in the Q&A box. We'll take it up. And also feel free to mention the city. We'll also take up the city from Mr. Neeraj, and we'll let you know if these locations are open. So just a quick, recap of friends, what we discussed. And this is a category which is renewed, and renewed product business has been picking up a big pace in market like India. And since this market is very, very fragmented, but unorganized hai, and that's the reason, it has a lot of growth potential.
Correct.
And this business facilitates circular economy with continuous use of resources. And the last 1.5 odd years, ever since, they have come up with the business model, and primarily the reason being reduced incomes, long hours that we all spend at home and even now at workplaces, and a constant upgradation of technology, which has led to a tremendous surge, I would say, in the overall demand in this category. So Zobox today is empowering, the Indian mobile retail industry at large. And they made their launch starting with Gujarat, and these were all tier 2 locations in Gujarat where they continue to operate and doing very well. And they have a wide variety of products, which includes laptops, tablets, desktop accessories, besides the mobile, which is the core product. And if you look at the market, friends, this is a market which works in very 3 simple steps, I would say, which is sourcing of old gadgets from the suppliers. And second is renewing them so that they are in great condition. And third is selling them to a customer with at least 6 months of warranty, which also the company is providing. And absolutely at low points, the selling points typically range from half to 70% of the cost price. So which is a very big value proposition for the end consumers.
Correct.
Now, on the margins at the business, we saw a little bit understanding on the margins for each category, but this business comparatively would have a higher arbitrage. And there are 3 levels, for the product to make value. And hence the margins improve as you keep adding value to the offering. And if you look at the new mobile store business, which comes with a very, very thin, very, very low margin structure, which is about 2-3-4%. But whereas industry category like this, which is renewed, it is possible to get even 15 to 20% margins. And in certain categories, it is even higher. So we're looking at ranges which are renewed items. I'm not too sure. Are we also looking at unboxed and new as well?
No, we are into renewed phones.
Only renewed.
Yes.
So so this is what we're looking at. And Neeraj, I'll take some questions from our friends also today. So this is a franchisee on franchisee operated model, and I saw somebody asking the breakup. So overall investment, friends, is about 15 lakhs ka pura investment hai, jisme 11 lakh, which is 11 lakhs, is the deposit. Ye security deposit hai jo company ko jata hai. Apart from that, 4 lakh ka investment aapka interiors ka hota hai, and that is the basic improvement of 200 to 50 square feet of space, plus a small franchise fees of 50,000. So all put together, this is about 14.50 kind of a investment that you need to do. So a couple of questions. Neeraj, the very first question, while this industry has a very big demand, and of late, especially the 1.5 years, and even before that, unorganized बहुत बड़ा है. There's a big segment, fragmented. People are buying second-hand phones, and you also talked about this term renewed, and sometimes renewed and refurbished are terms which are often confused. People feel refurbished
right.
and renewed are
Many
same.
people ask us the same question.
Anji,
Yeah.
so my first question would be, how do we differentiate, what are these two terms? What is the difference between the two? That is something which would be important for us to understand. And second, if you can also give understanding, we saw on one slide, you talked about the competition. We saw companies like HX, Cashify, and these are
Correct.
also companies which are doing similar.
Correct.
And how do we find ourselves, when we peg ourselves against the competition in the market? What is the differentiating edge that we have
So
amongst
the edge which we have is again the renewed and refurbished. So all the devices which are sold on our stores are 100% like new feel. It is not refurbished. Refurbished, when we say refurbished, everybody understand, and this is somewhere the right myth people understand is refurbished is equal to correcting those errors and make it functionally, but not make it look like new phone. Whereas Zobox devices comes with look like new phone, new accessories, and warranty. So the difference, the edge which we talk about is renewed and refurbished is the look and feel. This is the major difference which we carry with them. This is the edge we have from Cashify and HX Card. The another edge we have from them is the price point. Cashify and other people are selling all the devices. Let's say, for example, iPhone X. They have 10 devices in the stores, and all those 10 devices will be of different prices. Whereas Zobox does it one model, one price. So Zobox offers everything which is similar to a new phone. We give EMI options, we give after sale supports, we give zero down payment options, and we give much cheaper than a new phone. So this is the edge we carry from other market players.
Sure.
Yes, please.
Very helpful, Neeraj.
Yeah.
And so just to, because I'm seeing a lot of questions I was reading through, and I'll take, friends, all your questions one by one. And please do mention your city when you put your questions. It will help me in understanding your interest with respect to the city. So what we're saying is we're not repairing these phones, Neeraj. So you could repair.
We do repair, but we repair it very professionally. When it is said refurbished का मतलब होता है कि आपके पास फोन आया, आपने let's say माइक काम नहीं कर रहा है, and you repair it, and ये हो गया भैया, आपका फोन ठीक हो गया, and you can sell it. Whereas it comes to Zobox, the basis के इसके स्क्रीन के ऊपर स्क्रैच है, इसके बॉडी के ऊपर स्क्रैच है, we do it end-to-end refurbishment, which is called renew. It is not refurbished. This is how it is again. So this is the major difference which we have, the edge we have.
Now, going on the investment, we've talked about 15 odd lakhs, where 11 lakhs is the deposit, and that's the security deposit the franchisee would make, and 4 lakhs is towards interiors and 50,000. So is this all turnkey? Is the entire investment, because you said the interiors on the capex is something which is done by the company, or that is something which is done by the franchisee as per the specifications given by Zobox?
So end-to-end interior is done by Zobox.
Okay.
So we charge them one-time investment, that is 3.5 lakh rupees. Whereas we spend around 5 to 6 lakh rupees depending on store to store, because every situation in the store is not right. Yeah, everything is different everywhere. So we spend something from our pocket, and franchisee, to promise its brand, to promise its confidence, to promise its entrepreneurship, we need that investment from his side. And that 11 lakh rupees worth stock is going to be always his security deposit. And he can top up as well, coming down to the business. Yeah.
Okay. Now, understanding against this 11 lakhs of security that he would pay, what is the kind of inventory level to be maintained at the outlet, and what is the idle inventory mix also? I would request if you can advise on that.
Yeah, sure. So we have around 60 to 70% mobile phones. 10 to 15% is mobile accessories. 10% is about 10 to 15% is mixture of consumer electronics and IT products. This is how it is. So majorly our hero product is mobile phones.
Sure. Yeah. And what is the inventory worth, Neeraj? Against 11 lakh security, what is the inventory? That
11 lakh rupees.
11 lakh ka inventory hoga.
11 lakh is equal to 11 lakh rupees ka stock.
Okay. And you also mentioned it can be topped up. Now,
Yes.
is it, is there a credit line with the franchisee? So every time he
No.
needs to, and we talked about 7 days of a period wherein the stock would be given
up,
or
yeah.
refreshed at these outlets. So is there a credit line that we're offering to our
So
partners?
no, currently there is no credit line, but as he sells the product, he need to deposit that money every day. So the money reconciliation is done weekly basis.
Mhm.
So he sold every product in any store from Sunday to Saturday. He need to deposit that money into the account, and Monday we see how much money is spending. We need to give from out of 11 lakh rupees and we dispatch the stock from it. So 11 लाख में से 5 लाख बेचा, 5 लाख रुपए जमा करा दिया, 5 लाख रुपए का एवरी मंडे उसको पेनिट्रेट हो गया.
And this is very interesting, Neeraj ji, and because you have been working in this industry and you understand the industry very well. So, agar hum samjhe and average typical sales that would happen, and kitna time lagta hai, because this is a market where people are already consuming somewhere. ये product कहीं ना कहीं online भी ले रहे हैं, and they might be buying from other competition. So typically, what time would it take, for a franchise partner to leave to get to that optimum level of sales, and what is that ideal sales that you see, should come in maybe after a period of 2-3 months of his operations?
So great. So first of all, as I said, हमारा hero product mobile phone है, and we have a slogan called सस्ते mobile का अड्डा. When people sees it, they get that feeling we are a cheapest, mobile phone store in the town. Number one. Number two, we have 3 months of support to the franchisee to settle down his store. जिसके अंदर हम उसको 1% मिनिमम सेल्स गारंटी देते हैं. इवन इफ इट does it anything, 11 लाख रुपए का 1% comes down to be 11,000 रुपया plus that 20,000 rupees OPEX expense. And the three months is somewhere which is, we call it three phases of settling up a store: dependent, interdependent and independent. So 3 महीने के बाद वो बेबी बड़ा हो जाता है. This is where we have seen. पहले दूसरे महीने के अंदर they struggle about 3 lakh 3.5 lakh rupees store, but from third month, fourth month they start selling it 7-8 lakh रुपए का store. That is, I'm talking about retail, not wholesale. Reaching out direct to customer is the biggest advantage of opening a store. This is how it is. Yeah.
Helpful. And just to come back again, Neeraj ji, on your minimum guarantee, हमने जो अपनी presentation में बोला था, हमने कहा था शुरू के जो 3 महीने हैं, we'll also give some minimum guaranteed sales. So is that we talking about the 11 lakh minimum guarantee, or we are also committing some sales happening?
We are committing 1% of the security deposit he paid to us.
Okay.
11 लाख रुपए के ऊपर 1%. This is 11,000 रुपए.
Okay.
This is how it is. Yeah.
Okay. And because you also run आपका omni channel structure है, we have physical stores, online platform पे भी लोग जा सकते हैं. So कोई भी online demand आती है, वो हम franchisee के through fulfill करेंगे या franchisee store की demand fulfill करेगा?
Yes. Let's say कोई जम्मू कश्मीर का store है ना, हमारा जम्मू कश्मीर के अंदर हमारे पास किसी e-commerce से order आया. So that if that inventory, particular inventory is available at that store, that will be routed to him. This is number one. Number two, we have, let's create a scenario कि गुजरात के अंदर मेरे 50 store हैं आज, and that 50 store के अंदर like you talk about credit line, so I'm coming that credit line now. 50 store हैं, but whereas one franchisee have given me 11 lakh rupees worth deposit, right? But मेरे 50 store हैं. That 50 store into 11 lakh rupees comes down to 5.5 crore rupees is his inventory available to sell through his store. जितने भी store हैं, if he can sell that inventory, he can procure that inventory from the other store. तो credit line ऐसे नहीं है, indirectly है.
Okay. And I'll quickly, friends, take up your questions. Any of the questions that you have, please put it. I'll see how many questions I can take. So I'll take one question from Mr. Neeraj, and his question was, will you provide your, are these all company products? So I think what he's trying to understand and asking is, where are we procuring all our products from? Where are we getting supplies? Are these OEMs? Are we taking from these e-com portals? Where are we taking our products
So
from?
the major products which we deal are in, the brands we deal are in is Apple, Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus. So these, some of the products are imported, some of the products are bought from through our resources. and we bring them, we professionally do those QCs and do end-to-end refurbishment, make them renew, pack it in our on Zobox packaging, and then sell it through the stores. This is how it is. So we only play in major brands because this is on consignment basis. The inventory kept on the store belongs to Zobox. If it cannot be sold, it is Zobox inventory. As we have 11 lakh rupees worth, security deposit. So we need to be on our toes always to sell, to bring, to procure all those best of the products, best of the hot selling models. Yeah.
See, where is the procurement was the question. So procurement abhi hum kahan se kar rahe hain? We are getting it from OEM se le rahe hain. Where
OEM, yes. We are directly buying through brands. We are buying through some e-commerce portals, and we are also buying some imported stuff.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the other question was the contract period. What is the contract period that we have with the partner?
Minimum is 24 months lock-in period from either sides.
Okay. And Neeraj ji, I'll take up more questions. And I see Mr. Ibrahim asking the sourcing of product. Ibrahim ji, we've just answered that. And Vishal ji is from Nanded, and he's asking on the operating expenses. So Vishal ji, the entire operating expenses are taken care by the franchisee. Only for the first 3 months, the company will support you with the 20,000 rupees to take care of day-to-day operational expenses.
No,
but all
operational expenses are paid through the time they are live with us. Let it is for 24 months minimum contract. Zobox is going to monthly disburse that 20,000 rupees monthly to them.
That is for the entire 24 months, Neeraj ji?
24 into 20,000 is 4,80,000 rupees for 2 years.
Okay, I missed that. I thought that was a period of first 3 months so that he's able to stabilize.
It is forever.
Okay, so ये 20,000 रुपए हर महीने 24 महीने तक आपको मिलेगा, right?
जब तक हमारे साथ फ्रेंचाइजी लाइव है उसको मिलेगा.
Okay, so 20,000 रुपए आपको हर महीने उसका मिलता है. That's all right.
So OPEX expense है वो.
Okay, and he can utilize that into great. That's helpful. I think that was one part, perhaps.
Soumya, so I was just updating. I think this 20,000 will be given for all the 24 months period, and 1% on 11 lakhs will be paid for 3 months.
If the franchisee is not able to perform sales, we have minimum sales guarantee. If he can perform sales, either 1% or the commission, whichever is higher, will be paid to him.
Correct.
Since we're talking about commission, एक blended margin क्या होता है? Because कईयों में कम है ज़्यादा है. अगर हम safely लें, blended margin क्या रहेगा पूरी sale पे? अगर हम 3-4 लाख या 6-7 लाख
10%.
10% हमारा
approximately 10%
blended
on
margin.
Retail sales. Yeah.
That's helpful.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take one question, Mr. Ram Mohan. We'll share the deck with you. We'll send it across to you. And how much time Zobox will take to make the shop operations from the date of payments is a question from one of our participants from Chennai, Mr. Shankar Ganesh.
So hi Shankar ji. So we take 30 days time from the token money we received on day one. That is 4 lakh रुपया आपने डाला हमारे account में, and we have 30 days start to operate your store. हम उसे operational करके देंगे. If we are not able to do that, we will look some compensation. जो आपका rent अगर let's say आप किसी का rented shop है, we will look out for those rentals and pay it to them, so that franchisee lose nothing out of it. So 1 महीने का tat हम लोगों को होता है to operate the store.
And I'll take a question from Mr. Vishal B. He's saying, what is the typical, I would say, age of these phones? How old these phones are that we are selling?
Maximum is 3 years. Let's say this is 2020, 2018 से 19, 20, like this. Because some iPhone phones are like iPhone 7, 8 are still very hot SKUs, but वो 6 साल पुराने phone है, but are being sold on our stores and very hot SKUs because उनका price कम आ गया. In tier 2, 3, 4 cities, people love to buy Apples.
जी क्वेश्चन which I'll also take on the inventory because there's an inventory security deposit. कोई भी ऐसी inventory है जो franchisee के store पे है वो नहीं बिकती है, कोई slow moving है, नहीं जा रही है. So what is that we do with that inventory? We take that entire inventory, do we replace that?
Yes, we change those inventory to him.
Okay. And इसमें exit अगर for reason somebody wants to exit 2 साल बाद या उससे पहले तो इसमें inventory को वापस ले लेती है company?
नहीं, that will be billed to him.
Okay.
because company has invested lot of money on making a retail outlet. Store तो franchisee का है, उसने 3.5 लाख रुपया दिया, whereas we spend around 6 लाख रुपया.
Mhm.
तो 2.5 लाख रुपया हमारा भी इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है, प्लस द ऑल द ओपेक्स एंड ऑल सप्लाई चेन जो हमने बनाया हुआ होता है, यू नो, तो वो उसी के पास ही रहता है. इफ समहाउ दे डोंट वांट टू कंटिन्यू, जो जितना भी उसके पास बिल्ड अमाउंट होता है दैट विल बी बिल्ड टू हिम, जितना भी इन्वेंट्री उसके स्टॉक में होता है. या
And Rammohan, she's asking, is the deposit refundable? ये जो deposit है, because इसके
दैट
लिए
इज कंप्लीटली रिफंडेबल. आप लेट्स टेक अ सिनेरियो कि आपके 11 लाख रुपया हमें दिया हुआ है, आपके पास वहां पे 5 लाख रुपए का माल है, 6 लाख रुपया आप हमें दे चुके हो और आपको स्टोर बंद करना है, तो 6 लाख रुपया आपको डिपॉजिट आपका वापस आ जाएगा, एंड 5 लाख रुपए का जो स्टॉक आपके पास है दैट विल बी बिल्ड टू यू.
Okay. All right. I hope friends
बिकॉज
that
वी आर इन्वेस्टिंग हाई ऑन द स्टॉक्स. वहां पे जितना भी स्टॉक पड़ा है इज यू नो इज द बॉक्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू सेल. तो उस केस के अंदर, और आज तक टचवुड अभी तक ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई स्टोर बंद होने की बात भी कर रहा हूँ. पीपल आर मेकिंग गुड मनी आउट ऑफ इट.
I'll take a question. This is on the break even, and this is a question from Mr. Kashmiro Govs asking, typically, how long does it take to reach that optimum level, and break even point क्या होता है?
ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट लाइक हमने एबिटा डिस्कस किया था, उस एबिटा के अंदर उसका जो मार्जिन या उसकी जो कॉस्ट आती है अराउंड 20,000 रुपीज हमारी तरफ से चला गया. लेट्स अज्यूम उसका 10 या 15,000 रुपया रेंट है, एंड अंदर मिलाकर उसका 15-20,000 रुपए का खर्चा मैक्सिमम है हायर साइड पे, एंड 20,000 रुपीज इज समवेयर जो हम उसको देते हैं उसके अंदर. तो उसका ब्रेक इवन पॉइंट इफ ही सेल्स रुपीज लेट्स से 2 लाख रुपए का भी सेल उसने कर लिया, that is going to be his break even point.
Right. And many more questions. I'll take one from Mr. Neeraj. As we're dealing directly with the end consumer, and if they find any fault in the product before or after the warranty, should the company send the expert to repair, or franchisor should hire somebody? And Neeraj ji, just to add on, एक ही service है हमारी which we're doing, which is sales. Are we also buying? यहाँ पे buy and sell भी होगा?
No, just sell होगा, buying नहीं होगा, buyback नहीं है.
Buyback नहीं होगा, and repair भी नहीं होगा. Are we looking at repair also?
No, we are not. Let's अभी आपने क्वेश्चन पढ़ा, that is somewhere के किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम आता है. So let's assume today is 1st of January, किसी ने मेरे से प्रोडक्ट लिया, and within 7 days time if he faces any problem he can come to the store and he can replace the device. आजा भैया तेरे को चाहिए नहीं चाहिए वापस ले जाओ, that is done. Let's say after 7 days he has 6 months of warranty period. He calls to our calling center, people register a complaint, and we will pick up from his home. This is a privilege which we give to the end consumer. आपके घर से उठाएंगे, आपका एरर चेक करेंगे, and we will come back and deliver the same handset to you कि सर आपका हैंडसेट जो फॉल्ट था वो ठीक हो गया. So pick up and drop after sales कस्टमर के लिए, he need not to go anywhere. And best thing which we carry in this is supply chain जो है वो 15 दिन का higher time है depending on the fault. Maximum TAT जो है 15 दिन के अंदर हम उसको वापस डिलीवर कर देते हैं from date to deliver. This is the supply chain we have managed so far.
And Neeraj ji, central है सारा supply आपका? Do we have सारी supply centrally manage करते हैं हम दिल्ली से, or we are managing from?
No. Right now we have 2 hubs, one in Gujarat, that is in Ahmedabad, and one is in Jaipur for Rajasthan.
Okay, so all supplies happen from these 2 hubs.
From these 2
all
hubs,
across.
for the state.
Okay, now the
For the
question.
state.
Hanji. The other question which I want to ask, because I saw in your presentation, हमने rental का component बहुत छोटा ले रखा है. We have talked about 15,000 square feet, sorry, 15,000 rupees. Hanji, which I feel is very, very low when I talk about cities like even Chennai and a lot of locations that you have opened, and these are tier 2, tier 3, kind of a bridge kind of cities, and it's very easy to get low rental locations. What do you have to say for locations outside these? One, because the rental component would go high, and when the rental component go high, would you also be looking at maybe higher sales, because
Of course.
the product portfolio would change? The product which I'm
Yes,
selling in tier 2 or 3
yes.
would be different to tier 1. So
Correct.
that is one question which I have. And the other question, in कौन सी cities हैं जहाँ पे हम देखना चाहते हैं, because I'm seeing our investors from all across, including south, west, north. So कौन सा हमारा focus है priority cities के ऊपर? So these 2 questions.
So cities, first of all आपने बोला कि 15,000 रुपया rent component seems to be little less. So like we said कि जो हमारे audience हैं, it is tier 2, tier 3 and tier 4 cities. So और 200 से 250 स्क्वायर फीट का एक स्टोर चलता है, you know. Even in Delhi, if you go to any good area, 15-20 हजार रुपए में 200-250 स्क्वायर फीट का एक अच्छी मार्केट में एक शोरूम मिल जाता है. And you know that interior is the somewhere where Jobox comes into picture. We does that interior parts के वो बाहर से 1 लाख रुपए का तो ACP बोर्ड ही लगता है, for example. So give that branded feel when you see a Jobox store, it is nowhere less than a Vivo, Oppo, Samsung store. So that international standards have been kept so far, and we will continue that for sure. And then coming back to के 15,000 रुपए का component, it is really justified in tier 2, 3, 4 cities. Yeah.
And कौन सी locations देख रहे हैं नीरज जी? Because what kind of markets are we looking at? I'm sure we're not looking at the main hubs, we're not looking at high street. So what are the ideal locations? कौन सी, एक तो मैं cities पूछना चाहती हूँ, कौन से cities में हम जाना चाहते हैं? If you can just maybe pick some cities, and which are the important zones? Are we looking at north, west? Are we looking at south also? And
Yeah, we are
second,
looking
कौन
at
सी ideal markets हैं? These are neighborhood markets we are looking at. So which are these markets that we
high street with good footfall. Because बाकी सारा काम तो डिजिटल मीडिया ने करना होता है. जो एंटरप्रेन्योर है हमारा, जो फ्रेंचाइजी चैनल है, he also takes care of it. So in 1, 2, 3 months people get to know कि एक स्टोर है जहाँ पे एक सस्ता मोबाइल मिलता है, and the name says it all, सस्ते मोबाइल का अड्डा, वो ऑटोमेटिकली एक वर्ड ऑफ माउथ पब्लिसिटी वहां से जनरेट होता है.
Okay.
Yeah.
मार्केट्स कौन सी रहेंगी नीरज जी? कौन सी सिटीज हम देख रहे हैं प्रायोरिटी पे?
Coming down to states, we are open to expand anywhere pan India.
But इसमें tier 2 आप कह रहे हैं,
tier 2, 3, 4, yes.
That's the main focus. Would you want to give
Yes.
some examples? जैसे north में या west में कौन सी ऐसे tier 2, 3 cities होंगी? And are we also looking at main cities? Because I'm seeing from even tier 1 locations like Chennai, we have interest coming in.
No,
So tier 1 अभी हम
we are also, let's talk about Delhi. Delhi के अंदर एक South Delhi भी है, एक North Delhi भी है, एक East भी है, एक West भी है, correct? So anywhere where we see middle class people live in is our target audience. The people who dream luxury के मुझे iPhone लेना है, iPhone 13 नहीं लेना है, for example. So who wants to buy luxury at good price point is my target audience. Accordingly उसके cities हैं, उन हर city के अंदर वैसी locations हैं. Like my Ahmedabad store, it is in Bapu Nagar. That Bapu Nagar store is a market, और उसका rent is our own store, and we pay 60,000 rupees there. Rent की अगर हम बात करते हैं तो whereas we manage 15 लाख रुपए का उसका सेल रिटेल का है. So like you earlier said कि अगर ज्यादा होगा तो एक्सपेक्टेशन भी ऊपर हो जाएगी. प्रॉपर्टी के अंदर तो लोकेशन ही होती है which drives everything. So if it is a store is at a good point, he will eventually get good sales. Yeah.
And I'll take maybe one last question, friends. If there's anything else that you want to ask, please reach out on the hotline number. We are also holding a discovery day in the coming week where we'll have the entire team of Zobox and Neeraj ji, Ashish ji, Mukesh ji all joining in for one-to-one discussion where we will answer any questions which have remained unanswered or might have not been clear. So last two questions, Neeraj ji, which I'm seeing on my screen, and others, mostly we have taken up, is one on the marketing support asked by Mr. Ram Mohan, and other is from Mr. Kashmiro. He's asking, will the deposit be different for different tiers? So these two questions I'll take as my.
It is 11 lakh rupees worth stock. क्योंकि 11 लाख रुपए के अंदर when as I said 60 to 70% is going to be mobile. एक मोबाइल की दुकान के अंदर अगर 80-90 मोबाइल नहीं है,
बिल्कुल,
that is somewhere it will be seen कि यहाँ पे नहीं है, वो negative impact, negative aura create होता है. So the amount is 11 lakh rupees. This is one. Secondly, what was the question you asked?
Second was on the advertisement support. Is there advertisement support?
So advertisement support, we do social campaigns, we do newspaper inserts, and we do time to time occasional newspaper ads. This is the support we give to the franchisee. We sometimes, let's say, we were running up in Ahmedabad, in Red FM, we also created some campaigns कि हम free coupons दे रहे हैं types. Those activities, ATL, BTL activities are done time to time depending on scenarios. कोई festival आ रहा है, दिवाली पे हमने सबको 10% सस्ता कर दिया, for example. It is all there to generate sales. Agenda is to generate sales, and because the stock kept at the store is for Zobox, not for franchisee. तो वो हमारी responsibility है end of the day to clear out that stock. तो जितने भी channels होते हैं मीडिया में ATL BTL activities के, we all go through those channels.
Sure.
Yes.
That's helpful. And friends, that's very important point which has been made by Neeraj ji, which is on the stock, and a lot of partners sometimes shy away कि हम stock कम रख के शुरू करते हैं. Anytime you keep a smaller stock and try to start, your business would fail. कोई भी customer एक खाली outlet में घुसना नहीं चाहता. You want to see choices. You want to see a store which is full of options. So anytime you want to have a smaller stock, दूसरा ये भी करते हैं, पहली बार ले लेते हैं पर rotate नहीं करते हैं. You don't replenish your store with newer stock. That's also a bigger problem with many stores. Yeah. And anytime somebody comes in, वो खाली store होगा, people will not, come into the outlet. So you need to ensure that एक तो आपका stock right हो location के हिसाब से. Second, you also need to ensure that you're refreshing that stock on a timely basis. Like you mentioned, हर हफ्ते जो भी आपका sale होता है, आप रख लीजिए. Because empty store would not make, and sale का एक ही rule है, especially when we talk about product business. आपका जो rotation है stock का वो बहुत important है. So you have to keep, putting that stock to ensure that your sales throughput is coming in. Sales तभी निकलेंगी जब आपके inventory right होगी, and timely inventory अगर आप रख पाएंगे, and that is what Neeraj is saying. They're also doing just in time inventory. The moment you need, हफ्ते के अंदर आपको inventory मिल जाएगी. आप कोई 3-4 महीने की inventory stock करके नहीं बैठे हुए हैं.
नहीं रखे हैं, बिल्कुल. And biggest thing is the right approach to sale.
बिल्कुल.
जो हमारे पास तो क्या, अगर किसी कस्टमर को आके iPhone 13 मांग रहा है and we don't have it, we should be educated enough, prepared enough कि भैया इसको मैंने iPhone 13 नहीं, मैं इसको iPhone 10 दे दूंगा, बोल के यार उतने का लेगा, इतने में तो 3 आ जाएंगे, and you can again replace and all. This is about salesmanship, the entrepreneurship which we look out from our partners there.
Absolutely. Neeraj, one last thing, I think जो हमने stock की बात की थी, that was built to the franchisee. So he would take the entire stock, वो company buy back नहीं करेगी. Anything which is with him will stay with him. Is that what you were saying?
This, if in case he don't want to continue.
हाँ जी.
Yes, but so there are still chances we will take that stock. But it is somehow written in an agreement. It is written like this. But of course we will never let our we want to see happy faces. Sure. So we will not let our channel partners go down on this for sure.
And also एक चीज मैं ऐड करूंगी, this is not a stock which goes out of fashion. ये stock को liquidate करना बहुत easy होता है. When we talk about electronics, gadgets, the easiest is to to liquidate the stock. So you will never have an inventory which is lying.
Mobile phones is an industry जिसके अंदर people die for stocks.
There's always a dearth of stock.
Supply chain इतना बड़ा gap है.
हाँ जी.
Yes,
absolutely.
Yes.
Neeraj ji, so I'll announce, friends, on 3rd of December we are hosting a discovery day. आप 3rd December को अपनी calls आप book कर सकते हैं. अगर आप meet करना चाहते हैं, you can also send your request for meeting. Anyone who is closer to the locations where they're already running these stores, we'll also welcome anybody visiting these stores. But to get into detailing of any opportunity before you take a decision, it is important that you understand that business model thoroughly. Also understand whether you are the right fitment. Sometimes business model is great, but you might not understand. So आप right fitment है, and company will also filter if you're the right profile to a partner and run the business, because ultimately the success would impact you as well as the company, and so would be the failure. So it's important that like-minded people who understand the business come forward. And 3rd December, again I'm saying, is a day our teams at Franchise India will reach out to all of you, fixing these time slots with 30 minutes, 45 minutes, so that you get deeper understanding. Sure. And Neeraj ji, as we close, I will request your team, if there's a last message that you want to give to the entire audience who's listening to you. And I will also read out one question: why the name Zoobox? You want to give any reasoning for this name that you have?
Yeah, I skipped in the initial part that I was born and brought up in Hong Kong. So I have that Chinese accent, Zo, and then comes down to box. Mobile phones or anything which we buy is in a packaging of a box. So Zo box, and Zo box lands to open happiness. When you open a phone, I want to see happy faces. This is the message which what you just stated. There's any message. So I just want to see happy faces for my franchisee, for my consumer, for my management, for everybody there. So open happiness, always. This is what we believe in. Yeah.
Great. Thank you so much, Neeraj-ji, and thank you all our friends. Yes, Ram Mohan ji, there is a training which is given by the company, so every franchise partner will get the entire training of how to run or build the outlet.
Yes.
That was one question.
ERP, we have very strong ERP support for our franchisee. The franchisee can see his sale, his inventory, his state inventory, where he can, he can take procure the stocks from there. He can see his commissions. He can see his TDS. He can see end-to-end solutions which comes for franchisee's perspective.
Great.
Yeah.
So once again, very thank you to the entire team, Dharmesh ji, Mukesh ji, Kartika ji, Ashish ji, and Neeraj ji. So anyone who wants to say any last remark, please go ahead, and then I will request Ashna for her closing remarks. Ashna, over to you, please.
Thank you so much, Neeraj. Thank you so much, Sonia ma'am. Thanks entire team of Zobox for coming in, presented your model to us. Thanks, dear friends, for registration, joining us today. Do reach out to us at our business hotline number, which is 9717683838. We have shared our email address as well as this hotline number in the chat box also. Do share your suggestion and valuable feedback with us at our different social handles. And you can easily get more information about different industries, about different business opportunities from the management team of Franchise India. Join Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am at their LinkedIn IDs platform. We have just shared information on the screen. And tomorrow, under our national webinar, 12 p.m. webinar, we are inviting you to join us for Montana. It's an education brand we are bringing tomorrow. You can start this particular preschool business with an investment of 10 lakh rupees. They are offering the fixed income per month to you, offering minimum guarantee as well as rev share. So don't miss this chance. If you are interested for this particular business opportunity, do registration right now. Registration is very easy to get it done from our side. Just connect with us at our business hotline number or go to Facebook page where we have shared the registration link. Thank you once again for joining in today. Have a very safe day here. Thank you so much. Happy Sunday.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.